So you will have to find out the derivative of y cos of x cube sine square x to the power of 5. Okay, so this is what you need to find out, the derivative for this. Okay, so assume that this is equal to u and this is equal to v. Okay, so your u is equal to cos x cube. Okay, now further assume that this x cube is equal to t. So you can write your u is equal to cos of t. I've just substituted t in place of x cube. Okay, and of course your t is equal to x cube, which you have assumed. So from here you can find out du by dt. From here you can find out dt by dx. And your du by dx would be nothing but your du by dt into dt by dx. But what is du by dx dt equals to? Minus sine of t. While what is dt by dx equals to? 3x squared. Okay. So just substitute du by dt, which is minus sine of t, and dt by dx, which is 3x squared. Okay. Simplifying, you can write it as minus 3x squared into sine of, what would you write in place of t? X cube, which you have assumed. So this is there. Clear? Now you have found out one part of the story. Now you have square sine square x to the power of 5. So you have v, which is equal to sine square x to the power 5. Okay, so you will assume, say, x to the power 5 is equal to, say, s. Okay, so you can write your v is equal to sine square s. Okay, now since this is again sine square, so I'll uh, uh, say w is equal to sine of s. Clear? So your v could be written as w square. Clear? Clear? Are you seeing the way I am just decomposing each and every part so that it becomes easier? So what you can do is, so you have these things. V is equal to w square, while w is equal to sine of s. Okay, but s is equal to x to the power 5. So from here you can find out dv by dw. From here you can find out dw by ds. From here you can find out ds by dx. Okay, so your dv by dx would be equal to dv by dw into dw by ds into ds by dx. Clear? So this is there. Now, what is your dv by dw equals to? 2w. Okay. What is dw by ds equals to? Minus cos of s. What is ds by dx equals to? 5x to the power 4. Fine. So I'll just substitute it. So in place of dv by dw, you will write 2w. In place of dw by ds, you will write minus cos of s. Okay, and in place of ds by dx you will write 5x to the power 4. Okay, so you can write 10 into x to the power 4, 10 because 5 into 2 is 10, into, well, minus from here. In place of s I will write x to the power 5, and in place of w, which is left out here, I'll write it as sine of s. Okay, but s again could be written as minus 10 into x to the power 4 cos of x to the power 5 into sine of, in place of s you can write x to the power 5. This, you have assumed this. Okay, now I haven't told you the story yet, that I have found out the derivatives of these two separately, but actually what I need to find out is dy by dx. Okay, this is what we need to find out. We need to find out dy by dx. Okay, of what? Of this product of u and v. Okay, so this is what you need to find out. Clear? Let me do it here. So Uh, so you have y is equal to u into v. You need to find out the derivative of y with respect to x. Well, y is the product of u and v. So you just put up the product rule, first function as it is, derivative of second function, plus second function as it is into derivative of first function. You just have to substitute the value for dv by dx and du by dx which you have just calculated. Okay, so I'll just substitute. What is your u equals to? Your u is cos of x cube. Okay, so your u is cos x cube. Fine. So this is your u. What is your dv by dx equals to? dv by dx is this term which you have found out, which is minus 10 into x to the power 4 minus 10 into x to the power 4 into cos of x to the power 5 cos of x to the power 5 into sine of x to the power 5 into sine of x to the power 5 plus what is the value for v? V is sine square x to the power 5. Now what is the value for du by dx? It is this minus 3x square sine of x cube. Okay.